Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Oh boy, this monkey is very excited to meet his owner after a long time.
Ready?
These guys are trying to show their hitting skill but wait for the last one to see the best strike.
Hey, where's the money? Where's the money, bro? He's not talking. Flip him over.
These two persons are trying to steal from each other. This guy made a YouTube channel and is struggling to say the most used word as a YouTuber.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please
If I make this, she likes me back.
This man on bicycle is one of the luckiest person.
Four, three, two, one.
That's the end of the video guys. I hope you enjoyed and thank you very much for watching.